So we're in Brisbane now. Had a bit of a muck around with our rental car, and Kate and I are cutting it close because we're going to the football. So we ended up just having to, we're going to get an Uber now, and everyone else is going to go and sort out the rental car or whatever, because it's just Kate and I going to the football. We've got like an hour or whatever until it starts. So yeah, we're going to the footy now, and hopefully everything is okay. Okay, this is a quick little outfit of the day because everyone else has already left the hotels, so I need to get a move on. So we went to the football last night and Colt lost, which was sad for Cade, but anyway. So yeah. About to head out for the day. I think we're gonna go to South Bank. So I will.
We could have done a better job.
Where are we going then? Which one? Not that one.
So we ended up just driving to Harbour Town. Normally it's about an hour drive from Brisbane, but there was some roadwork, so it took a little bit longer. But we're gonna go shopping now. But first we're gonna get something to eat because we haven't eaten yet. So we just drove back from Harbour Town to South Bank, and I had a sleep. I got all the makeup on my face, so it's a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to South Bank now. This is the pool at South Bank. It's like one of my favourite places that I've ever been. It's just so pretty. It's like a man-made beach kind of thing, and it goes all the way along there. And then like you can walk along like the river kind of thing, and it's really pretty. And then there's like a kids bit down there. But yeah, it's just so pretty. I love Brisbane. So pretty here. We just went for a little bit of a swim. We're gonna go get something to eat now. So we're at El Camino for dinner. And this is what we got. Okay, so we're at Max Brennan now. I got a banana split waffle, and he got a cake thing. Hey guys, so it's the next day now and we're at SeaWorld. Kate and I are just about to go and do the penguin adventure thing. So I'm excited because I've never done like a animal experience thing. You're not allowed to film or anything in there though, so that sucks. But yeah, anyway, I've had a stressful morning because I tried to, so like I booked our tickets for this penguin thing like a couple of weeks ago. But then to actually get into SeaWorld today we had to buy tickets. So I ordered them online using Afterpay, and then it took the money like it's on my Afterpay, but the actual tickets didn't come through, and then the guy at the front counter couldn't find the ticket, so I had to pay for them again. So I've paid like $700. So I'm just hoping the Afterpay one gets refunded. I'm just stressed, but whatever. There's nothing we can do at the moment. But yeah, I feel like the penguins should be fun, hopefully. So anyway, I'll let you guys know how it goes. So we just did our penguin thing and it was so much fun. They were so cute. We got to feed them, we got to give them some rocks to help them build their little nest because they're about to lay eggs. I feel like it was a really great experience. I think it cost me around $400 for both of us, but I honestly really recommend it. I feel like it was super informative and just like a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was amazing.
I feel like it was worth the money. I was worried it was going to be not really worth the money, but it was. So yeah, if you like penguins, you've got the spare money, I recommend it. It was really cute. I love SeaWorld. There's Poppy.
Who's that?
That's Pop. Dad and my sisters are snorkeling. SeaWorld. How fun! That's Dad. And there's the girls.
Because we're going to sit down.
Belle or Jordan? So we just spent the day at SeaWorld and now we're going for a walk to get some tea. It's very nice nights. What are we thinking, guys?
Hang on.
So we just went for a walk and now we're at Fallon's. So yeah, we just ordered tea. We're just waiting for that. This is what I got for tea. It's a pizza. Hey guys, it's the next day now and we're at Movie World. Last night we just went up for tea. And while we're out there, we saw, so obviously we're over here to watch the Iron Maiden concerts, but they're like, what's it called, like their opening act is Killswitch. And we saw the lead singer of Killswitch last night when we were out for tea. So I went up and I was like, hey, like, are you Jesse? And he was like, yeah. And then he came and sat with us for a bit, so that was really cool to meet him. And I'm not like a huge fan of them, but, well, I'm not really a fan of them at all, to be honest. But like, they did a cool act at the show. But yeah, it was just cool to meet him. My sister and her partner are like huge fans of him, so they got to meet him and he was really nice. So that was really exciting. But yeah, we're just at Movie World now. It isn't open yet. Opens in like 10 minutes or so. So yeah, I will be going on 0 rides today. I am I'm not a ride girl at all. Eddie! So we were at Movie World for a little bit, but then a storm like came, so they turned off all of the rides. The storm was meant to finish at 3 and it was like 1 PM or something like that, so we're like, we'll just come to Pacific Fair to okay, that was your fault, I almost dropped my camera. We thought we'd just come to Pacific Fair to like wait out the storm, and then yeah, go back to Movie World when it passes so that everyone can go and ride. So yeah, we're gonna do some shopping. I've been waiting for this for like a year, no, even longer, like, I don't know, like over a year to try these again. I got them when I came up here for a month and I was obsessed, and I found them in like the last couple of days before we left, so I'm so excited to be reunited with them. It's from Cinnabon. Obsessed. Okay, so we ended up doing a bit of shopping. We didn't end up going back to Movie World because it was still raining like for basically the rest of the day, so yeah, that was kind of no point. But I got some things from Mecca and it was like $300 and something, and Kate was so shocked. He obviously doesn't buy makeup and doesn't know how expensive it is, you know? But anyway, we're going up for tea now. We're going to Betty's Burgers. Mum and Dad are off to the Iron Maiden concert tonight. Originally I was going to go with Dad because we only got 2 tickets for that one, but then Mum said that she'd like to go. I thought that would be like special for them to go together, so they're off to the concert tonight. So Kate and I are just going up for a bit of a date night. We're going to go to Betty's Burgers because we love Betty's Burgers. We got some UG before and that was so good as well. But yeah, we're going to get some burgers. Okay, so this is what we got. We got some burgers and some chips. Kate's upset because I'm taking all my time taking photos of our food instead of letting him eat it, but sorry.
Off the rain.
So we're just checked out of our hotel and we're like on a shuttle bus to the airport.
Look. Mummy's
7:20 at the moment, and we're heading to Sydney today, so that's exciting. So yeah, we've just got to catch our flight. I think it's like 10 or something, and then
okay, here we go. Hi, JLP.